what pre-market after missing with results cutting full-year guidance. In the earnings release, Stefano Pessina says that, quote, the market challenges and macro trends we've been discussing for some time accelerated, resulting in the most difficult quarter we've had since the formation of Walgreens Boots Alliance.
Well, how could they not have pre-announced? How could they not have come out and said, listen, guys, we are doing awfully? CVS, to Larry Merlot's credit, did that. And you would think that these guys, I mean, a lot of people felt, well, wait a second. If CVS came out and said all those negative things, Walgreens must be okay. They didn't say, they're not okay. I mean, they are not okay. There isn't a single line, retail pharmacy, comp sales, international, wholesale, back of the store, front of the store. Everything's bad.
Yeah. Retail comps down 3.8.
Oh.
And then they see, as we should have said at the top, they see adjusted EPS flat, prior 7 to 12.
What? That is, remember, the old rule was if you're within 5 cents of missing your number, or 5% in some cases, but there used to be an informal thing which just said you have to come out. This is amazing. This is the lift of pharmacies. I mean, and plus, they're wiped out. Rite Aid has been wiped out. We have to move on. I'm not moving on. This is amazing. Rite Aid. They even had the benefit of Rite Aid.
As a share donor, you mean?
Total share donor.
Yeah.
I can't believe how bad this is. Especially CVS was bad, but this CVS at least bought Aetna. These guys, I don't know. It's a Dow stock. Why don't they take it out of the Dow and put something else in?
It is going to pinch the Dow. Now, they mentioned reimbursement pressure.
Try not to look at the numbers.
So is it reimbursement, do you think, or is it, as they put it, consumer market challenges in the U.S.
I was thinking that it was A-M-Z-N. Amazon, as Wilf calls it, which always sounds like a medicine.
Yes.
Amazon. I take 2 Amazon every morning. Amazon, I think, is... Now, Larry Merlot hated that I said was at Amazon. He said, we're not really being challenged by Amazon. And it's possible, but the back of the store is no good, and there I think it's reimbursement. But the front of the store, I don't know how else to explain it, unless you think the Target's taking share, but that's CVS. Remember, CVS does Target. Walmart is very aggressive, really, really aggressive, and everybody knows the front of the store is what you can get Amazon the same day. I mean, in some parts, but certainly the next day. This is, if I would soul search if I were Walgreens right now and say, why did Target manage to beat Amazon? How did Walmart manage? They have to start getting, they're not on the case. They're just not on the case. Larry Merlot, at least he said, look, we got to buy Aetna. We got to become a healthcare store. How's tobacco, guys?
Yeah, interesting you mentioned that, because in the retail sales numbers we got yesterday, Bespoke has a good piece out today that clicks overtake bricks for the first time on record as a total percentage share of total retail.
Look, I think other than Ollie's Bargain Store, if you didn't have an omni-channel, I mean, Ollie's has no omni-channel, then it is, you're dead.
Yeah.
You're dead. I mean, Walgreens, this is a household name, and these numbers indicate a dramatic decline in the number of people who go into a Walgreens. So where are they going? When Larry Merlot said, look, CVS, we've got some stuff, we're a healthcare company, we've got people coming in for Aetna when they do the remodels. Where are they going from Walgreens? They're not going across the street. It is entirely possible that they are going to Walmart, but it's much more likely to going to Amazon. And when you see those Amazon numbers up, you have to believe that they're being hurt.
Yeah.
They're not that bad a merchant, but these numbers are repulsive. They're repugnant. I mean, honestly.
So there you have it, a financial media discussion on Walgreens. And I'm going to take a look at this from a chart point of view. Mine is going to be quick and to the point. So, a couple of observations. Take this line here, which was the previous, actually I can do it like that, previous support line, going back, touching this level, this level, this level, this level, we get a break coming off the highs, resistance on the line, a backtest failure for that high on a daily closing basis, and then we kiss the line there for the reversal here. Another observation, and remember this is yesterday's chart before today's market open lower. We can see a recent break here of that high, and a pullback from there. We draw our uniformity resistance line as such, and you can see that as of yesterday's close, we had come back to test this general area. Looks like at the open this is going to be confirmed as resistance, and there you have it. RSI uniformity failure here, and now the stock is going to be opening somewhere in this area. That's the technical view before today's plunge and before the market opens. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.